Hello everyone, this is Nikita and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this beautiful geometric earrings which is super easy to make. So without wasting any time, let's see how I made it. For this video, we'll need glitter foam sheet, normal foam sheet, canvas sheet, some paper, cutter, pen, glue, Fevibond glue, plier, scissors, needle and thread, head pins, jump rings and earring stoppers, and some beads of your choice. First, we are going to trace the shape of our earring on the paper. This is my shape. You can take any shape which you like. Now, cut your shape. After cutting the shape, trace it on your glitter foam sheet, canvas sheet and on the normal foam. Now you will have 3 pieces like this. First we are going to work on the glitter sheet. We are going to paste the square studs on our glitter sheet. So take your glue and just mark points like this on your earring and place the square studs on it. Do it on the upper part of the earring as well. You can see how it looks. Let it dry completely. For the next step, we'll need a needle and thread. We are going to start making our earring. Inserting needle like this in the glitter foam sheet and take each bead and start attaching it to the glitter foam sheet by doing this. You can attach the beads as per your choice of any way how you want it to be. Do this for the whole earring and make sure you do not leave any space. Complete it. See how beautiful it looks after covering, but it's not at all stiff. So to make it little stiff, we are going to add the canvas sheet on it now. Adding canvas sheet will make it look stiff and it will give it a nice balance which we will require for our earring. While we will glue it, make sure the thread should not come out from any side. Just press it like this. You can keep any heavy thing on it to stick it and let it dry completely. Do it for the upper part as well, but before adding it to the upper part, we are going to add the head pin to it. Push your head pin through the canvas and then paste it on the upper part. Our earring is nicely stiff and it is ready for the further step. Now we have to attach the both parts together. So I am going to mark a hole in the middle like this on both. You can use anything to make the hole. I am using this and just make a hole like this in both the parts. Place your foam sheet cut out like this on it and mark the point of the hole as well. Make a hole on foam sheet and then for the top part we have to mark 2 holes, one for the head pin which we have attached already. So mark the first hole like this and put it through it. Now mark the second hole and also make a hole through the plain sheet. After this, you have to stick the plain sheet with Fevibond glue and let it dry completely till we go for the next step. To attach these both parts, we are going to add jump rings into it. The holes which we made were for the jump rings. Insert the jump ring like so in both the parts and secure it. The edges do not look so clean, so to make it look clean, now we are going to seal the edges of our earring. Insert the needle like this and then take two beads together, and by doing this we are going to seal the edge. See how it looks. In this way we have to do it for the whole earring, so it gives a kind of 3D look for the earring. While attaching, you should be careful that it should be in a line because we are not going to place another sheet on it to cover it. See how clean and nice it looks. For the inside part, first we are going to apply some glue, and on that we are going to stick the square studs. After it dries, we are also going to use the big beads on it. We didn't use these big beads on the outside edges, we are only going to use them on the inside edges. The same technique of using two beads together which we did for the outside edge, we are going to do the same for the inside edges. Seal the edges of the upper part of the earring with the same technique. To join the both upper and the lower part, we are going to use a jump ring now. Take the jump ring and insert it to the jump ring which we have attached on both the parts, and in the middle it will give a circle like shape. Secure it. And it will look like this. Now attach the earring back stopper to it and we are done.
So guys, I hope so you enjoyed my video, and if you are making any of my DIYs, don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook. You can DM me anywhere and I'll try to put it on my story. And yes, also let me know in the comment section that how my video was, and don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. See you till the next time. Bye.